Welcome to the Deep Dive. Today we're taking a shortcut right into the world of professional AI-powered video.
We're focusing on one piece of gear.
The Datavideo PTC-155 HD30X tracking PTZ camera. We've got all the specs, and our whole mission here is to figure out what makes this just over $2,000 camera a real professional tool.
That's the core of it. We're unpacking how it blends, high-end Sony optics with some genuinely intelligent automation.
Right.
We want to see how its promise of AI auto-tracking and, stunning image quality actually helps you cover complex spaces, lecture halls, corporate events, without a huge camera crew.
Okay, let's unpack this. Let's start with the fundamentals.
Sure.
Image quality. It uses a 12.8-inch Sony CMOS sensor. What makes that special in this price bracket? Is it just that it's reliable?
It's the reliability, but it's, married to the clarity. It's a broadcast quality component, so you're getting full HD 1920 by 1080 at 60 frames per second.
Which is the standard you want.
Exactly, but the real game, the thing that makes a difference, is the lens. You got an impressive 30x optical zoom.
30 times.
And then it layers on 16x digital zoom on top of that. For logistics, that means you can stick this camera way up high in a huge venue and still get a perfect tight shot on someone's face.
Okay, this is where it gets really interesting for me and where we have to, push back on the marketing a bit. We've all heard AI tracking before.
Yeah.
And usually it's twitchy. It loses the subject if they move too fast. How do we know this dual lens system is actually stable?
That is the crucial question. And the innovation here is what they call the intelligent dual lens system. It's actually pretty clever.
So how does it work?
You have one lens that does one thing. It tracks the subject's position. That's its only job. The second lens is this ultra-wide angle view, and that's like the AI's safety net.
Ah, okay. So it solves the classic problem.
Exactly. Normally, a PTZ zooms way in, the person takes 2 steps to the left, and the AI has no idea where they went.
It's lost.
Here, the wide lens never loses the big picture. So the tracking is just stable, even in a crowded room.
And speaking of complex rooms, we have to talk about lighting. Stages are a nightmare.
Total nightmare. And that's where its environmental resilience features come in. It's got advanced 3D noise reduction, and this is the key part, wide dynamic range, WDR.
For those bright spotlights and dark backgrounds.
Precisely. It keeps the brightly lit speaker from blowing out while you can still see what's happening in the dimmer parts of the stage. And it can work in light as low as 0.5 lux. It's impressive.
So the image quality is solid, but a great image is useless if you can't get it where it needs to go. That brings us to workflow, to connectivity.
This thing is a hub.
It really is. We're looking at simultaneous outputs. You've got your HDMI, your 3G SDI, and RJ45 with power over Ethernet.
The PoE is so useful.
But what's fascinating is the compatibility. I mean, it seems to speak every video control language there is.
It does. It has the old wired standards like RS-422, but then it works with all the modern network systems, NDI, VSCO over IP, you name it.
So if you have a video network,
It just plugs right in.
okay, so it gets the picture right, it speaks the language. Let's talk streaming. It has dual stream encoding. Why 2 streams?
So you can send your beautiful, high-quality 1080p, 60 fps less feed to your main recorder for the master copy.
Right.
And at the same time, you can send a smaller, lower-res feed straight to YouTube or Facebook, all from one camera.
And we can't ignore the built-in SD card recording.
You really can't. And that footage is downloadable over the network with their software. That's a real cost saver right there. No more climbing a ladder just to grab an SD card after a shoot.
And for bigger shows, the multicam management looks pretty slick. There's a free app.
The PTZ View Assist app, yeah. It lets you wirelessly control up to 4 cameras at once. And for precision shots, you can program 255 preset positions.
So what does this all mean when you add it all up?
I mean, it's not just a high-quality camera.
No, it's an integrated, remotely controlled broadcasting hub that just happens to weigh about 2.7 kilograms.
And if you connect that to the bigger picture, the real value for broadcasters is that NDI integration. It means high-quality video and audio over one standard network cable.
Which cuts down on cable clutter.
Massively. And makes it way more cost-effective and scalable than putting in a bunch of big stationary camera systems.
So this raises an important question, something for you to think about. The PTC-155 is powerful because of that combination of the Sony sensor and the dual-lens AI tracking. But consider this. At a complex live event, what's the bigger logistical game changer? Is it the hands-off AI tracking a single speaker, or is it the ability to instantly snap between 255 pre-saved shots around a room? It's definitely some food for thought.